What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Art and this is the new project. Alright, so this is Art's Miata. It's an ND 2016 Miata. Not many of these you see with performance parts, I would say, top mount turbo kits, etc. So we're gonna go wild with this guy. We got a bunch of parts. You know what? Let's show him. Actually, before we show him the parts, let's go over what the car has done right now. So right now, as you can see, it's on bags. We got it up right now. We're gonna go driving. We got a lip kit, carbon fiber in the front lip here. Very nice, clean Miata tinted headlights. Wheels now on the inside. We got them racing seats, bucket seats. Just pretty much a carbon trim on the interior. Manual, of course. And then performance-wise, I think all we got is catback exhaust, right?
Just a catback, exhaust, and NT. Pretty much stock as it can be right now.
Right, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive, show you what it can do now. Kind of have a baseline of what this car is all about. Here they move pretty good for what they are. So let's go drive it. First time in a Miata, definitely feels faster than what it is. I'll tell you what. Maybe because it's such a lightweight car and it's convertible, you kind of feel everything. Pretty nice, man. Can't wait to see the difference. Alright, we'll see if we can get some 0 to 60 going on in here. Right there.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go for it. Alright, so here we got all the parts we're going to install. On the Miata, we got precision turbo. What is this, 5858?
5858.
So 5858 V-van, in and out, stainless housing. I love these because they don't rust. We got the Pro Sport gauges, boost and air fuel ratio. We got a nice, what is it, Cusco? Cusco strut bar. Treadstone intercooler, oil cooler over here. We got a Tile Wastegate 44 mil and the HKS valve valve. And then what is it?
ECU.
ECU tech?
Yeah, that's
All right.
engine management for the car.
So ECU tech is to pretty much just tune the thing. There is not a lot of tuning companies that support this car. And then over here we got this massive wing. Just, I mean, it's hard to show on camera how big this thing is, but it's huge, man. With the trunk and everything, and then if we come over here, we got this beautiful carbon fiber wide body. I love these. These are for the front. Love that detail there. So yes, all that is gonna go on this car on the next video probably. So back to this guy. So the turbo is gonna be top mount. For that, we're gonna make a manifold for it. It's gonna live somewhere in this area. Actually, let's see if we can put it up there. There you go. That's good. So obviously we're gonna clock it differently, but you get an idea. That's where the turbo is gonna live. Under the hood, unfortunately. But yes, and then we're gonna have the exhaust coming somewhere out on the fender here. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm gonna take you along the ride on this, and we're gonna fabricate a bunch of parts. It's definitely going to be one of a kind Miata. So stay tuned for that. I'll catch you on the next one.